Hi everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already subscribed. Today we're diving into a very important topic, how to introduce yourself in Italian. As always, just a quick reminder that I've already updated several videos on key Italian language topics, all part of your basic Italian survival kit, and that's plenty more coming your way. Here's a quick overview of what I've already covered and what's on the way. But let's get back to today's lesson. First things first, when introducing yourself in Italian, the tone matters a lot. We're going to look at two types of language registers, formal and informal. Let's start with the informal one, the friendly, relaxed kind of chat. We typically use this informal language with our peers, so classmates, colleagues, or people we already have a relationship with. Here are a few examples of what that sounds like. Let's say we have Rita. She might say, "Ciao, io sono Rita." Or, "Ciao, mi chiamo Rita, e tu?" "Sono di Roma, ma abito a Milano, e tu?" "Sono una studentessa di architettura. Tu studi o lavori?" Or, here's another example of Samira. Samira might say, "Ciao, io mi chiamo Samira. Sono nata a Torino, ma ora lavoro a Parma, e tu?" "Sono una pediatra. Tu che lavoro fai?" Piacere di conoscerti. And if we put it all into a short dialogue, we get, "Ciao, io sono Rita, come va?" "Ciao, tutto bene, io mi chiamo Samira. Piacere di conoscerti." "Piacere mio. Io sono di Roma, ma abito a Milano. Tu invece?" "Roma è una delle mie città preferite. Io sono nata a Torino, ma ora vivo a Parma." "Ah, Parma, che bella. Ci sono stata l'anno scorso." "Io sono una studentessa di architettura. Tu studi o lavori?" "Io lavoro, sono una pediatra." So that's a glimpse into a friendly, informal conversation might sound like. Now, let's switch gears and look at formal introductions, the kind you'd use in a professional setting or when meeting someone for the first time, especially if they're older or in a higher position. Think about doctor's appointments, job interviews, shopkeepers that you've never met. In all those situations, formality is key. And here is an example. "Buongiorno signora Mutti, come va? Le presento il signor Romitelli." "Ah, buongiorno, bene, grazie. Sono Giorgia Mutti. Piacere di conoscerla." "Buongiorno, piacere tutto mio, signora Mutti. Io sono Pietro Romitelli, il nuovo capo reparto." See how the formal language shows up in little details like signora and signor, or the use of le instead of ti, and even the capital la, even in the middle of the sentence. This is a subtle but respectful touch. Now, to make your life easier, I've put together a couple of handy cheat sheets. And here are some examples of phrases that you might use in informal conversations. "Ciao, sono Rita, sono di Padova. Faccio la maestra. Come ti chiami? Che lavoro fai? Da dove vieni? Piacere di conoscerti. Ciao, ci vediamo." Whereas if we look at formal conversation, we might have something like "Buongiorno, buonasera. Mi chiamo Giuseppe. Vengo da Firenze. Lavoro come informatico. Lei come si chiama? Che lavoro fa? Da dove viene? È stato un piacere conoscerla. E arrivederci." So, these are the basics when it comes to introducing yourself in Italian. My tip, write your own little introduction and practice it out loud. And now it's test time. I just have two quick questions. The first one is, which of these is the correct phrase to say I'm from? Sono di, vivo a, abito a, parlo. Take a few seconds to think. And yes, the correct answer is sono di. If you answered that, you nail it. Now let's see the second one. Which of these is the best way to introduce yourself? Mi chiamo, sono di, vivo a, sono francese. Think it over. The correct answer is mi chiamo. And that's all for today. Grazie mille for watching. I hope you've learned something new today, and as always, stick around for more videos on learning Italian the fun way.